Welcome to Dash Cam Commute with Mrs. Gray. I am headed to my job. I am late to work. Not really late, but for my opinion, I'm late because I'd like to be early to work. And I slept in my alarm this morning. How many of y'all sleep through your alarms? I set probably 2 of them. And I still slept through the alarm. It's just one of them days, folks. I'm exhausted, but guess what? It's Friday. It's Friday, whatever kind of Friday you want. Look at these trees, red, yellow. Again, fall in Wisconsin's beautiful. And this darn road work here, annoying. I'm about had it with this. Hurry up, people, get on through because I need to go. Unbelievable. But you know what? We can see this as an obstacle in our path. And it's just something you got to be patient for. And then slide right through it. You know what I'm saying? Just another lesson in life. Why get irritated when you can be patient, see the obstacle coming, be ready for it, and move past it. Period. There you go. There's your lesson for today, folks, I guess. I'm sleepy. I wasn't in the mood to do this. Mrs. Gray was exhausted today. But I said, let me take these people along, even when I'm a moody biatch in the morning. I haven't had my coffee yet. Perhaps I should take a sip. It is 7:23. I'm super late. I like to be at work by 7. But like I said, I slept in my darn alarm. I've been sick with some kind of, I don't know, infection, virus, some bug hit me. And I'm just coming over it, you know? Anywho, it is Friday the 20th of November. Oh shoot, October. Holy moly, why am I in November already? That tells you how sleepy I am. Holy moly. 20th of October, folks. And we see some, oh, the light turned green and I'm sitting on my laurels. I was looking at these people over here. Anyway, alrighty, well, it looks like this commute might be a little boring, folks, because I seriously don't have lots to say today. Remember, when you're tired, you gotta find a way to get over it, because there is no rest for the weary, as they say. You gotta keep on trugging along, folks. Alright? I haven't even hit the freeway yet, so I'm gonna stop the video now. So, like I said, I'm just tired. Don't have much to say. And I just wanted to say good morning, in that when life has obstacles, you gotta just kind of slow down, observe, and move past them, right? Don't give up, folks. Have a great Friday. Mrs. Gray, signing out.